Hi guys, I just found a new website that will give you free coins for Webtoon app. Just follow my video properly to get free coins. Complete at least 2 offers to get Tango coins in your account. You may install an apps, or you can complete other offers. In order to finish any app install offer, just install the app and then open the apps for 30 seconds. I just want to know, that offers are different for different countries. It depends on your device and your location. You might see different tasks from those ones here. Look here, my coins are increasing. Go to my website and get your coins right now. Hurry up!